Here's our cauliflower, which I have cooked to the al dente stage. You see, just cut up into large chunks, large flowerets. Before you fry it, though, you need to make a batter, and you want to start again with eggs. And here I have 2 eggs in a bowl. And now what you need to do is make a batter. And you want to make something that's going to be the coating for the cauliflower. And this is the critical part. You want to get this flour in a little bit at a time. So you have to whisk it in so there is no lumping. So I use a little sieve like this and just tap the sieve as I'm going along to get the flour in. Now with this, I want to add an unusual flavoring that you would find in the Market John region, and that is anise. And here it is, anisette, which is a liqueur. Tastes like licorice. I'm going to add, about 2 tablespoons. If you didn't want to use anisette, well, then you could use white wine. But boy, this smells great already. You don't like the licorice flavor, well then go ahead and use dry white wine. So this has to be whisked in very, very slowly. You see, just like this, until you have a batter that's almost the consistency of a tempura batter. So this process cannot be rushed. And you can also add a pinch of salt to this. So I'm going to stop that because my arms are really getting a workout. Put that aside. Now here's one. Here's a batter. It's all ready to go. See that? And that's what that should look like 45 minutes later. And here's our cauliflower. So now what you want to do is have ready some hot vegetable oil in a frying pan. Let me bring over mine. And be very, very careful with this. Bring over the hot oil. And now you simply want to take the cauliflower pieces, you see, and put them into the batter. I'm going to use my hands, although my mother would frown on this, something fierce. And now, I'll lift up my basket. I'm going to put a few pieces in for you. This is a wonderful appetizer to have. And get those right into the basket, just like that. You know what? I smell that bread in the bottom oven. I'm going to go back there and get that out for you. So I'm going to put those in and let them cook. Now let me see how we're doing here on our cavolfiore fritto, and I think they are done. So I can take them out. Now you want to drain those on some brown paper, and I just use a clean paper bag, you see. And then carefully, because you want to be careful when you're dealing with hot oil, just get them out like that, you see? And then you just let them drain like that. I tell you, those are absolutely wonderful. And after they are drained, well, what you can do is just sprinkle a little bit of salt over the top. It looks so good, though, I just have to cut into one for you. So there, you see how beautiful that looks?